Catalonia. It is called the Book Day and the Rose Day.
Who gives what in St. George's Day in Catalonia? Just watch it and discover. Hello, good morning. Can I help you?
I don't know which book I can buy for my boyfriend.
What about this? Does he like adventures?
No, he prefers terror. Oh, I like this one. How much is it?
It's 10 euros and today is St. George's Day. So I give you a bookmark.
Oh, thank you. That's nice. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye. Enjoy the day.
Today it's St. George's Day. Look, fresh roses. Give a rose to your mom, daughter or girlfriend. Hello.
I want the most beautiful rose for my love.
Do you like this one? It's wonderful.
Oh yes, it's wonderful. How much is it?
It's 3 euros.
Here you are.
Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Jordi.
Hello, Laura.
I have a surprise for you today.
Oh, I have a surprise for you too. A rose for my love.
Oh, thank you so much. And here you are, a book for my love.
Oh, it's perfect.
Enjoy to read this book.
Thank you.
Oh, surprising. Excuse me, I'm Emma and I'm a tourist from New York. What are you celebrating?
Don't you know? Today is St. George's Day, the patron saint of Catalonia. And people celebrate this festival giving books and roses as a symbol of love and culture.
That's amazing. I will also buy a book for my dad and a rose for my mom. Can I take a photo? Come in, please. Says Happy St. George's Day.
Happy St. George's Day!